We've been together for 12 years, married for 5. We have a 1.5-year-old daughter named Olivia. I grew up in Providence. We wanted her to be back here to be part of like our family's lives. And plus, Providence is a really cute city with a lot of charm, a lot of history. Growing up, there were a lot of Victorian-style homes, Queen Anne-style homes in our neighborhood, and I've always thought that they were just like very nice-looking homes.
There's so much beautiful architecture in Providence that I don't think we can go wrong. I love the charm and the just hominess that you get from a home that's been lived in and loved, the squeaky floors. So if it needs a little love, that makes me happy because then we can make it our own.
So this house is listed for $929, which is over what I was originally thinking of.
I think that's perfect.
If it has the square footage that we're looking for, I could see stretching a little bit. Hi, Jim.
Hey guys.
Hey, Jim.
How are you?
Good, nice to see you again.
You too. So this is what we refer to as the Patterson Park neighborhood. And that's Patterson Park.
Lovely.
And at the other end of the block is Wayland Square, pubs, restaurants, all those kinds of things. This is a 1910 Victorian-style farmhouse.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Beautiful front porch. Oh, wow, nice.
Look at these tall ceilings.
Let's go into the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Love the wood cabinets. You know, I was not thinking about a color for the countertop, but if we were to update the counter and the backsplash and flooring, what do you think we're talking about?
Kitchen renovations, depending on your level of fit and finish, can range anywhere from $25,000 to $125,000.
Ooh.
Yeah. See, this is great for Olivia.
And it's fully fenced in.
Is there a garage somewhere?
No garage with this particular house, which is not unusual. You'll see, like your neighbor, they added one after the fact.
It'd be extra.
Delivered on the charm. Absolutely love it. We could fit our entire apartment that we currently live in this first floor alone.
Yeah, it definitely has all the bedrooms and bathrooms that we were looking for. We have more offices than we could ever use. I think the neighborhood is really great, but it doesn't have that garage that I was looking for.
There isn't the bathroom off the primary.
Bathrooms also need to be redone here.
Yes.
There's a lot of work needed to remodel them, and that's also going to cost a lot of money. And I think if we looked at some places that have had that already done, it's going to save us a lot of headache.
So they head to a place that's been recently remodeled, but there's a trade-off.
Wonderful red door. Nice to see you.
Very nice to see you. So now we're on the west side of town.
Okay.
Now, I will caution you, the walkability here is a little different.
Yeah, we noticed that coming up.
People really do like this neighborhood because you get a lot of house for the money. And at $599,000, this is a pretty nice value.
Something to consider.
Yeah.
1926 Colonial.
The outside is wonderful. The shutters, the landscaping, like I wouldn't change a thing.
I was telling Dan on the way up, it would have to be quite stunning to convince me to move over here. But so far, we're on the right track.
Oh, wow, very nice.
To the right here, you have the formal living room.
Yeah, great ceiling height.
Great ceiling height.
Cool fireplace.
I would love if they had kept it in the original brick tones.
The good news is that it's not paint. It's a wash.
Good.
So it will come off a little bit easier.
Fantastic.
And you'll be able to see the brick tone.
I love that there's crown molding and fantastic hardwood floors. I love that there are hardwoods in the kitchen. That is amazing. Look at this island. Oh my goodness. These countertops.
Chef's grade appliances.
Farmhouse sink, is that what's
Farmhouse
great?
sink.
Oh, with the windows over it and the window boxes and flowers.
Yeah, this is really nice. I mean, these are a little ornate for me. I think like
such an easy fix. And honestly, I was pretty firm on needing wood cabinetry, but I mean, the floors are just so warm that it's okay.
It fits perfectly.
It fits perfectly.
Oh, whoa. This is great.
This is beautiful.
Look at this. So we have a double garage here.
Oh, great. Daniel, look at that swing.
Oh, that's adorable.
I could just see us out here on the weekends.
Just like New England, picturesque. That's awesome. This house delivers on a lot. Fantastic kitchen, big rooms to work with on the first floor, but it really doesn't have the two sort of dedicated office spaces, and I can see it being a lot of work to remodel that third floor.
I know you think it's gonna be a headache, but I truly think with that extra space in the price, I think we could get it done quickly by someone who's really good and efficient. But reality's gonna hit when it's, oh, we don't have eggs or we don't have bacon, and it's not that simple, okay, let me just walk down the block. It's, okay, we have to get in the car and we have to drive, but you had to show us this beautiful home.
I know, you had to do this. This is beautiful.
But since they still can't decide, Jim finds one more place back in their preferred area.
This house has 6 bedrooms and I think 4 bathrooms.
That's exciting. Now tell me the price.
Well, before we get to that,
Okay.
it also has a 2-car garage.
The fact that you're selling it and you haven't led with the price is making me nervous.
1.15 if I remember, but it looks like a really nice neighborhood.
But I won't be doing anything in the neighborhood because I can't afford it.
Hey, Jim.
Hi, guys. Classic 1930s Center Hall Colonial.
Beautiful.
So you've got your driveway off one street and a 2-car garage.
I'm loving it.
Now, one of the things that's really nice about this neighborhood is you can walk to Hope Village.
Great.
Pubs, shops, all the sort of little restaurants, really nice sort of things to do.
This is great. Staircase ready to walk in. Oh, wow. Big space.
Hardwood floors, great condition.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a ton of space.
It's a lot of space.
I'm really liking this. This fireplace, definitely not original, right?
It looks like at some point they upgraded it with a etched marble surround.
Yeah, it's a little shiny. This is great.
The cabinets are gorgeous.
Yeah.
I like the two-tone where they've done a lighter on top. That's beautiful.
I do like that it's stone. I mean, it's a little bit of a busy pattern for me.
It steps right out to the deck in the garden.
Oh, cool.
Great. This is nice.
Nice landscaping, shaded.
Okay.
This is super cute.
It's well done. I just, for an 18-month-old, I could just imagine this being completely torn up.
The flowers.
I like that they committed to a theme and a decor. We haven't seen a playroom option quite yet.
That living room, folks will use that as a dining space and a living space.
Okay.
And then use this as the family play space because it's right off your kitchen.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Right.
I love this. This is so nice.
I mean, this is awesome because like
The light
huge
coming
ceilings,
in.
tons of light. It definitely has a lot of space.
I can see the bigger picture. I could see what we could make it to meet our needs. And it definitely has the charm and the character that I was looking for.
Let's also remember that it's walkable.
That's true. Okay.
The neighborhood is great. Mm-hmm. It also has this beautiful kitchen and a garage. So I think it's worth that higher price.
Houses tend to go pretty quickly. If this is something you think may work, then we're going to have to come to a decision fairly quickly.
You want Piggy?
Give her a dog.
Doggy?
Let's give her a doggy. We chose the Victorian farmhouse.
It was something about the squeaks in the floor, the beautiful red door, and just everything looked lived in, but yet very well maintained. Don't forget Doggy. But walkability at the end of the day was the make it or break it.
The house was listed at $929 and we offered at list $929.
And they accepted. Are you home? It's going to take a lot of furniture to fill this home up. We've done some painting, which always seems like an easier feat, and then you get in it and it takes way longer.
I don't foresee us taking on any bathroom remodels or renovations in the next few years. So my hope is to make them as nice as possible, given the condition that they're in.
We don't have our own bathroom. It hasn't been that bad. I think I worked it up in my head that we would need it, but it's a 10-foot walk, if that.
It's right across the hall. We don't have a garage and, it's not cold yet. So we'll see how it works this winter. But so far, not having a garage hasn't been a problem. So we got a hole in the screen porch that I think we have to fix.
Oh.
We've sort of run the gauntlet of things we need to fix. Our front steps were falling apart. We discovered a small leak in the skylight.
I broke the dryer. So, the lists are adding up.
Yeah, home ownership is definitely a lot of work, and I think
Yes.
we're both seeing that now.
Let's go get the bunny.